Hey, it's JB here for today's futures day trading video review for Friday, December the 1st, 2017 for Drummond Energy Bands. We said 2652 today would be very, very significant. And if we could break below it, we had some downside targets that we essentially almost even hit the 01. And that's very significant. I don't care what news came out. In the room, we killed it again. We called the market when we were up here. Let's pause it here and bring it to exact same spot. So just before the market opened, we had a ping, before the room opened, we had a ping on back to the mid here. That worked out on any runners we scratched out of, but we made money on that. Now, the next trade we occurred here, called it in the room, short. We stayed short, targeting this 42 level area. We said the market was going to bounce. Did it? It did. We went back up. We showed people in the room. We had a little problem with the software, but once we got the software sorted out, we did a second video. We discussed why the setup was there. And, you're asking yourself, what does your software not do what this software does? Well, if, for example, you did not have the crystal ball to know that the news was going to come out, but you did know that you were up in the upper energy band, which is up here, and you had some green zeros at the top. That means this upper energy band here, this is about 1051, is going to hold as resistance. And notice the chart on the right again, right in through here, see these green zeros. This is telling you with the weakness going up here that this red line, this upper yellow area, this is going to be down. And if you're long, it's a bad idea to stay with it and you go the other way. Now, we do it each and every day. We do it live. We do it the same way. And it's based on simplicity that an 8-year-old can use in their trading. My son, who's 16 years old, colorblind as he is able to understand when these numbers get weaker and become a zero, and he's never traded as many years as myself or a lot of you. This is somebody who's brand new to the markets but understands when the crowd has spoken. So anyway, we do a webinar every Tuesday. We've got a room with software. You can lease it. We've got reports. Essentially, we've been doing it the same way. It's just gotten a lot simpler now since the 60s when Charles Drummond created this thing called geometry for the crowd. Visual energy analysis, it's called today. Thank you for your interest, and hope you crushed it today, and I hope you have a great weekend.